Hi, my name's Scott with Probat. Today I want to take a moment to talk to you about service. If you get our marketing emails, then you know we've recently sent out some customer satisfaction surveys, and we're thankful for all of the great feedback we've received. Now that we've had the chance to digest all of the responses, I'm happy to announce that we're doubling the size of our service staff with the creation of a new dedicated remote service team, along with the implementation of a new software to track service issues. This translates to more individuals on staff to provide timely responses to phone, email, and web inquiries on a daily basis. We're going to be able to provide the ad hoc service requests as well as planned service inspections, roster rebuilds, and turnkey installations. And best of all, these services can be bundled with remote service or an annual service package. On behalf of the entire team here in Lincolnshire, I'd like to thank you for your ongoing support as a loyal Probat customer. We look forward to many more years of continued service.